Welcome. Today we're simplifying new complex ideas using easy visuals. Let's make the complicated understandable. 1. How blockchain works. Imagine a public ledger like a notebook where every transaction is recorded on a page. Each page links to the previous one, creating a chain that everyone can see but no one can erase or change. This is blockchain, a secure way to track digital information like money transfers without a middleman. It's like an open diary everyone trusts. 2. Neural networks and deep learning. Picture your brain as a network of connected lights. When learning, some lights turn on stronger, forming pathways. Neural networks in AI mimic this by passing information through layers, adjusting connections until they solve problems like recognizing faces or translating languages. It's computers copying how our brain learns. 3. The science of dark matter. Think of the universe as a stage. Dark matter is the invisible scaffolding holding everything together. We can't see it, but its gravity shapes galaxies and keeps them from flying apart. It's like the wind, you can't see it, but you see its effects everywhere. 4. CRISPR and Gene Editing. Imagine scissors that can cut and edit sentences in a book. CRISPR is a tool scientists use to cut DNA at precise spots, allowing them to fix genetic mistakes or add new traits. It's like editing a recipe to make a better cake, but at the genetic level. 5. How electric cars work. Visualize a car powered by batteries instead of gas. Electric cars use stored electricity to run motors that spin the wheels. When braking, they even recharge their batteries a bit like a phone charging itself when you slow down. Cleaner and quieter, electric cars are changing the way we drive. 6. The basics of quantum computing. Imagine a coin spinning in many directions at once, unlike a regular coin that's just heads or tails. Quantum computers use qubits that can be multiple states simultaneously, letting them solve certain problems much faster than regular computers. It's like multitasking on a whole new level. 7. The water cycle simplified. Picture Earth's water as a traveler cycling through clouds, rain, rivers, and oceans. The sun heats water, turning it into vapor that rises and forms clouds. Then it falls as rain, feeding plants and rivers, eventually returning to the ocean. This cycle keeps water moving and life thriving. 8. What causes earthquakes? Imagine Earth's surface as giant puzzle pieces called tectonic plates. Sometimes these plates get stuck while pushing against each other, building tension. When they suddenly slip, the ground shakes. That's an earthquake. It's like snapping a stretched rubber band, releasing stored energy. Thanks for joining. These simple images help us see the big picture behind complex ideas. If you enjoyed this, hit like and subscribe for more simplified science.